This is a cat. A cat says, the cat meows. This is a happy cat. A happy cat purrs. When a cat feels really good, it makes a soft rumbling sound called purring. The happy cat purrs. An angry cat says hiss. This is an angry cat. A cat makes a hissing sound, warning others to stay away. An angry cat hisses or growls. This is a chicken. A chicken says cluck cluck. The chicken clucks. This is a rooster. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster crows. An excited chicken cackles. Chickens cackle when they are happy after laying an egg. They also cackle to warn others if they sense danger. The chickens cackle. This is a goat. A goat says, the goat bleats. This is a sheep. A sheep says, the sheep bleats.
The sheeps bleat.
This is a cow. The cow says, the cow moose. Moose. Next we have a pig. The pig says oink oink.
The pig grunts or oinks. Grunts or oinks. The pigs squeal. Sometimes pigs squeal. Pigs squeal when they are happy, hungry, scared, or need attention. It's how they talk to others.
This is a horse. The horse says, the horse neighs. The horse neighs.
The horse whinnies. The horse whinnies when it wants to say hello or when it feels happy.
Horses snort when they feel excited, curious, and sometimes to clear its nose. The horses snort. This is a duck. A duck says,
Quack.
the ducks quack.
Quack.
The ducks quack. A happy duck whistles sometimes.
Hey friends, get ready for a fun game. Let's play Match the Sound game. I'll play a sound, and you have to tell me which animal makes that sound. Are you ready? Let's begin. Did you hear that? What animal makes the sound meow?
Amazing, kiddos. It's a cat. A cat meows. Yes, it's a dog. The dog barks. Oh, that's fun. What animal makes that cluck cluck? Is it a rooster or hen? You got it! A hen clucks and sometimes even cackles.
Wow, you did a great job with the sound matching game. Now it's quiz time. Let us begin.
What sound does a horse make? Is it meow, bleat, or neigh? If you said neigh, you are right. A horse neighs.
Next one, what sound does a pig make? Is it meow, oink, or cackle? The answer is oink. A pig oinks. Which animal makes the sound ba? Is it a pig, sheep, or hen? Great job, it's a sheep. A sheep bleats. Now, the last one. Which animal makes the sound cock-a-doodle-doo? Is it pig, rooster, or hen? Wow, well done, kids. The answer is rooster. A rooster crows.
Thanks for watching. For more videos like share and subscribe our channel,